Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree and I do all things budgeting over here. So what I wanted to do is go ahead and close this second paycheck out. So we left out here with having $105 left. Let's go ahead and talk about my spending and get everything closed out. Okay, so let me get you all zoomed in. So we last left off on the 24th, and it was a no spend, and we also ate at home. For the 25th, it was a no spend, and we also ate at home, which we had leftovers. The 26th, I went ahead and got Jasmine's stuff in advance, her Alaskan salmon oil, her food toppers, anything related to Jasmine. I went ahead and got in advance, especially her food, due to her pretty much running out of food. So I got that in advance. So I spent $35 from Amazon on part of her stuff. And I spent $75 at Petco for the rest of her stuff. So when I do get paid again, which is on Wednesday, I'm making this video on the 29th. And I'm posting it tomorrow on the last day of April. So the same time, I went ahead and got my niece charm for her Pandora bracelet from Amazon versus Pandora, because I did not want to spend $50 for the same charm, which I will put a picture in. And I read the comments, read the reviews on Pandora's website and also on Facebook. They actually said that that charm, the color starts to rub off. So why would I spend $50 on that when I can get it from Amazon for $20? So I got that, and I ended up getting some spray for $18. And I did use my Capital One card. I also made another purchase from Amazon, which I did get some free dry Skittles, which I didn't need. Me and my friend was talking about them. And I do remember Chris from Budgeting Just Because mentioning something about them. And y'all, they are much better than the regular Skittles. So I definitely want to buy some more. I got those because they were on sale. And I also ended up getting some brown butter coated cashews. And I've been loving these dill pickle flavored cashews as well. So 18 and 13. So $31 in cash is what I had to put in my Capital One envelope, which I did. On the 27th, it was a no spend and we ate at home. Also, right here where it shows the $35 for Leaders Credit Union, I didn't have change, so I ended up putting all of that money in the Capital One envelope as well. On the 28th, which was yesterday, on Sunday, I went ahead and got gas. I wasn't going to fill up, but I did have 20 cents off. So that made my gas total go from $3.23 to $3.03. So I was thinking, well, instead of getting $24 worth of gas, you might as well fill up. And that's what I did. I did end up going over for gas, but again, I'm getting everything in advance before I get paid due to this week being very, very busy. Also, for groceries, remember I did have $30 left. I did buy just a little extra because this is going to be a busy week. And they also were talking about storms coming through, so I just wanted to be a little prepared. And at the bottom it just says paid $33 to Capital One for overage. So that's just letting me know what I need to pay. Today is the 30th, which I'm doing the closeout. So this is how everything looked. Like I literally tracked everything. So, hold on. So, here everything is again. Remember, I did have 105 left, and I hope Jasmine don't know. Oh, boy. Okay, so we had 105 left. Remember, I did go grocery shopping. I had to pay $20 over for the groceries since I ended up spending a little bit more. Everything ended up with zero. No money is left over. I got more gas, and for Capital One, I just need to pay them $31 when I get paid. So when I make the first budget, Capital One would be the first place to get some cash. Oops, I probably should do it like this. So here are my trackers, and I'm trying to make sure that everything is where you all can see it with no glare. So this is what I spent for miscellaneous, and let me get the other tracker. This is how essentials went. For, let's see, I hope they don't stick together. And they are. Hold on. I have this one for gas. I have this one for spending. And we also have this one for groceries, which I pretty much have everything written down. This tracker, I use it to track stuff, but I also use it to tell me where I need to put stuff at. Use it as a little note card. So that's why this has a lot of stuff on it. And I'm going to double check to see how much I have saved for the month of April. So far, with just saving ones for this pay period, I've been able to save $7, and I'm just going to put this back in my cashless wallet. Also, I call myself going through right now how I did for the entire month. So this is my income. These are all the bills. And I kind of got lost up in here where I paid the debt. And remember, I did have to go and get extra money, but I can't figure out how much I ended up getting. And even if I take a look at this right here, so this is how the first paycheck went. And this is how the second paycheck went. But when I write everything out for the month, everything just, yeah, it's kind of all over the place and makes my brain hurt. So for the month of May, I want to keep better track of everything. I do hope you all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my first paycheck for the month of May video, which will most likely be on Friday and or Saturday. So have a great rest of your day.